Here goes Michael. High knees. Come on, Mike. Higher, Mike.
Drink right here, CJ.
Green. Yellow. Blue. White.
So this is my grandson, Mike. There he is, right there. There he is. His pants are a little bit too big for him, but he's learning. We're trying to get him all set up. Poor guy. His pants. Give a thumbs up for Michael's pants. They didn't give him the right size, but he's trying. Got to give it to him for trying. There he is. There's Michael right there. Right here.
First down. Green. Yellow. Blue. Hey. No, you just got hit. Fill in right here. Yes. He was there. Blue.
Good work, Mike.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. Say hit. Hit. Down. Say hit. Hit. Down. Say hit. Hit. Down. Say hit. Hit.
Michael, I'll see you later, buddy. Are you gonna be okay? Have fun. There it is. That's Mike. Let's find out where little Gabe's at. There he is. Not so little anymore, though.
And maybe we can train our corners to have 1 or 2 assignments. Whatever you want to do, I don't know. Go to the line, like play like sumo, like sumo, where they just go hit certain bounces and let the people fly around their place. I get to sign my linebackers like this. So if we're in 4-4 and it's game day, I get to call sumo.
Just the winning team right here. They went all the way to Florida. Thank you guys for watching. Leave comments, thumbs up, like it, subscribe, hit the bell. Thank you.